Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G86 Power, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, grab a SIM ejector like this one, which should come provided with the device in the box. Now if you can find it, you could use a paperclip, strain on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now when you have that, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see right here. Push the pin in, and you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to pull it. On the tray you have space for SIM card and SD card, one of each. Make sure that when you're placing your cards on the tray, they're laying flush on it. And if you flip the tray over, these cards shouldn't be falling out, as you can see. Now inserting back into the device, the cards should start automatically working, hence why it's popping up with the SIM card pin, which you can see right here. I'm gonna need to confirm that, and then the actual pattern. So the SIM card is working and the SD card is working as well. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.